The I, the we, and the it, that gives you results, okay? In order to obtain those results, and this is what we call the have. We have certain results. We have some deliverables. We have goals, and we attain them or we don't attain them. How do you get those results? They just happen? No, what happened? How do you get those results? Work. Basically, you do things, right? You do things to have results. These are behaviors. In the human side of things, they're behaviors, okay? What if you're not satisfied with the results you have? What would you do? If you don't have what you want, what would you do? Reflect. What else? Change. Like do something different, right? Because if you want different results, doing the same things over and over, apparently it's Einstein who said that that's the definition of insanity, or so they claim, all right? But it makes sense, right? Like if you want different results, don't keep doing the same things. So you're gonna have to change what you do if you want different results, right? How many of you have wanted different results in the I, in the we, or in the it? All right? And still have not, gotten to do something different. Like, is it easy to just, hey, I need to change. I need to take care of myself a little more. I need to focus on the I. I'll start exercising. I want results, which is to be more fit. So what do I need to do to get more fit? I need to start working out because I'm sedentary. All right, so getting it is not enough. I want to do that. I want to get those results, but I just cannot. I hit the snooze button with so much ease, right? So I need to stop hitting the snooze button, getting off my and start working out. Why does that happen? How come we know we need to do things differently? We get it. We're very bright people. We wouldn't be here if we weren't pretty smart. So why do you think that is? Anyone? Change is hard. Change is hard. It's darn hard. Because if we were able to do things differently, we would already be doing them. No? Right? So change is hard. And here's the deal. Because if I'm the one, if I'm to stop hitting the snooze button and get off my tushy and start working out, I have to be the person, become the person who wants to work out. Okay? So it's not enough to just know that you have to be doing things differently. What we claim, and in this realm, underneath the behaviors, there's a mindset. There's a frame, a mental model, a frame of mind that underlies how you're behaving. So why do I hit the snooze button? Because I think that getting up and working out is dreadful. My frame of mind is that is terrible. I don't want that. So while that is my mindset, I will never, ever work out. So our proposal here is, if you want different results, I'm sure you're going to get that you need to do things differently. If you want a new business model to work, your old processes may have to change. Some might work, some might not. You might have to change them. But you can never expect change to happen because change is hard unless, especially the transformative, we're talking about transformational leadership here, okay? Requires a shift in your mindset. Unless I start viewing exercising as a way of honoring my strength, maybe, I have to dig deeper into what frame of mind will help me change the behavior so that I can at least try something different to get the results I want. Okay? So this framework usually comes with, where's my blue? An iceberg. It's a little iceberg here. And here's the water line. Okay? It's easy to see, oh, how successful. They got their goals. What wonderful engagement in that company. That team is really, so bonded. They get along so well. Oh, look at these people. They're not stressed. They're so into self-development and everything. You can see that. You can see that. What's not so easy to see is what they're doing to get that. No? You have to creep in a little more and look below the waterline. Yeah, make sense? Okay. And it's really very difficult to realize what mindsets are beneath the behaviors. It's even deeper. It's murky, it's cold, it's dark. Yeah, to dive into the mindsets. And sometimes it's even scary, to face myself and say, yeah, am I just lazy? That's why I don't want to exercise, right? So sometimes it's scary to go down there. So you need special equipment. You need help, right? At least me. Okay, I can snorkel over here, but if I'm going to scuba dive into this, I'm going to need some help, right? So that's kind of the point. So let's pause for conscious choice and reflection here. So I'd like to invite you to do another exercise. If you've got pens or papers or maybe even your cell phone or something, try to think for a while, like 2 minutes to think results that have been getting away from you, like that ooh, I always wanted this result and I never was able to achieve it.